Hello, first grade. Guess what? I know you are going to do a fabulous job on this week's measurement unit because it's what you do Friday in the review. Yeah, you got this. All right, let's take a look. I am not going to help you with the warm up because it is super simple as long as you're listening and following directions. Circle the tallest or longest object in each group. Put an X on the shortest. So that means I should see 3 circles and 3 X's on your seesaw page. All right, let's keep going. We got that. All right, it says find the length of a book using toothpicks. Wait a minute. Toothpicks? I did not give you toothpicks, but you do have something that is excellent for measuring your cubes, your Unifix cubes. All right, so I am going to use this book, and you may use this book too and copy me on the top one, but the second part of this page you have to do on your own. You have to find your own book. All right, so I am going to put, and the colors don't matter. It doesn't matter what color. They don't have to be the same. So I'm going to take my book. Now, there are 2 things here. This is the height of the book, and this is the length. So you can measure the length of your book or the height of your book. And I think it says length, so I'm going to measure the length of my book, how long it is. All right, let's take a look at this. I'm going to line it up, make sure they should be the same on that side, okay? Because if I do it like this, and then I count all of these, it's not right, is it? My measurement's going to be wrong because this one is hanging off the edge. It needs to match on this end and on this end. And you know what? Our measurement says about, because some of your books may be like 10 and a half. And that's okay. You can just put 10. You don't have to put half. Unless you just want to, and I know some of you will want to. All right, so let's make sure it's the same on this side. It's the same on this side. And it is sticking over just a tiny bit, but like I said, it says about. And if I put one more, it's going to be way long. If I take it off, it's going to be way short. So get as close as you can. And I'm breaking my cubes here. All right, there we go. All right, so once I figure it out, let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sorry, I should have done that backwards for you. 13. So I would put in my first blank, I would write rain, because that's the name of my book, is about 13. Don't worry about the word because we don't have toothpicks. 13 cubes long. Okay. And then you have to do your own book. And when you do your own book, I want you to take a picture of you holding your book with your cubes so we can see, because I may not have all the books that you have. And I need to make sure you get them right. What I'm going to be looking for, make sure I can see both sides of your book that you are measuring. Because if you take your picture and it looks like this, I can't see the side over there, can I? So I need to make sure the whole book is in my picture. Got that? All right, so our connected says find the length of the string using toothpicks. Again, we do not have toothpicks. We are using Unifix cubes. So I've got my computer Unifix cube. So let's count how long the string is. 1, 2. Do we want to usually, maybe we need to do it like this because these are on top of each other and I left part of it white. Let's see if that works better. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now this one's going to be a half, isn't it? So I could put 6.5, or I could just say, I could probably count 7 too. It's pretty close to 7. So either one of those would work for that one. All right, now it says find the length of an object in your classroom. You know what? Wherever you do your work is your classroom. You guys have learned to learn anywhere. So find something in your house, maybe a spoon, maybe, what else do you got? Gabrielle has a pencil sharpener, maybe some of those things we used last week when we measured length to see which one was longer and shorter. All right, take a picture of it again so we can see that you're measuring correctly. And I think the next page is your exit ticket. Easy. Oh my goodness, you guys got this. All right, get to work.